Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can protect and unprotect a particular Excel workbook. Okay, so let's start. This is our workbook. The name of this workbook is exercise sheet, and we can see that there are one, two, three, four, five, six worksheets are available in this workbook. So how we can protect it? We have to click on File. From the Info option, we will see that there is an option called Protect Workbook. Click on this. Encrypt with password. Then there will be an option. We should give a password for that. 123. I'm giving 123 as my password, but you should give 123 is a very common password, so you should give a password so that nobody can guess what is the password, and you should also remember that password by you can write it down somewhere else. Uh, that will be good. So click OK, and then again type 123 and re-enter your same password and click OK. So now the this workbook is protected. We are closing it. Save. So we can see that this is our workbook Excel sheet. If we want to open this, double click on it. Now we can see the workbook is not automatically opened like before. There is an option called password. We have to give our password to open this workbook. Otherwise, we will not be able to open this. Then our password was 123. Okay, so the workbook is open. This is how we can protect our workbook while sending to someone else. If that workbook is very important, we can protect this in this way. And now we will unprotect the workbook. That means if you think that it is not necessary now to protect the workbook with password, it should be open to everyone. Then we should click on File. From the Info option, we should click this option again, Encrypt with password, and we have to remove this password. Okay, so we are removing this. Then click OK. So the password is removed. So if we are clicking it, closing this file, save. Now if we open this file by double clicking, then they will not ask for a password. It will be automatically opened. So this is how we can protect and unprotect a workbook with the help of a password. Thank you very much.